Welcome back everybody to Robbins Farms. My name is Noah and I'm just out here giving you guys a little update of what's going on with Sawmill, lumber yard, whatever you want to call it, and the firewood place. So in the previous videos, when I was cutting up a big tree, you've seen this was quite a mess. Got some lumber here. It's probably, well, half of it was already rotten, and then the tree was down here. I got that cut up, and I've been working on splitting it. Actually done a pretty good job, I think. It's pretty punky. It's got a lot of sap rot, but I don't have much left. I have just a few logs, and I cut up another little stick here. But this is what I got so far. It's not a lot. Looks like about 12 to 14 cubic feet. And all this right here is the sap rot. I just pretty much cut it out. It's all rotten. I don't want to sell that. But this right here, that's premium firewood right there. I might bundle it up and sell it that way. There's some splash right here. But as you can see, I cleaned up all this, used the box blade and just pushed all the trash back there. I've got one thing that I saved that I mentioned in the previous video that I may do, and that is I may put that trunk from the tree on the sawmill. So here it is. I barely moved it over here with my little tractor, and I actually have a tape measure with me this time. I gotta cut this end off just a little bit. And let's see about how long it is. As is. I have no idea. I actually have not measured it yet. If I can do it and hold you guys at the same time. It's kind of windy right now, so I don't want to do but so much. Well, that's close enough. It is just shy of 14 feet, so 13 feet and 8 inches. So probably what I will do is cut it down to, I don't think I can pick up a 12-foot section. I don't know, maybe a 10-foot section, 10-6, put the rest in firewood. But over here, it's not really the butt end, but it's pretty close. I thought it was about 22 feet, 22 inches, but it's 22 inches this way and 18 or 19 inches this way. But it has 2 piths and a big old check right here. So I don't know if it's even worth putting on a sawmill. What do you guys think? Just let me know. Or what I should even cut this into. I was just thinking maybe 1x material. But on this side, it's checked pretty bad. And I only see 1 pith and it's way off. I don't know. What do you guys think? Should I just turn this into firewood or cut it up? Let me know. Thanks for sticking around.